overholding of cold and hot foods can create an environment for bacterial growth. There are two ways of controlling the growth of bacteria in held hot and cold foods. The first is by using temperature, and the second is by using time. Held hot and cold foods should not be found in the temperature danger zone, 41 degrees to 135 degrees, when measured by a calibrated thermometer. When using time to monitor safety of held hot and cold foods, foods should not be held out of range for more than 4 hours. When using time instead of temperature for holding foods, it is important to have a written procedure in place. The written procedure must record what foods use time as a public health control, when foods are removed from temperature control, and when they need to be discarded. Foods must also be marked at what time it was taken out of temperature control. Food which is not served within 4 hours must be discarded. However, if held cold at initially 41 degrees or below and does not exceed 70 degrees during holding, it may be held for an additional 2 hours, totaling 6 hours, before discarding. If a new batch of food is added to current held hot or cold foods, the initial time is used when determining a discard time. But if the initial batch of food is replaced, the time for discarding restarts. Make sure to control the safety of these foods by either monitoring the time or the temperature.